Okay, guys, welcome. This is Code with Tech, your number one coding hub where we simplify complex coding logic. All right. Now, well, for today, I want to introduce to you our 30 essential JavaScript project. All right, our 30 essential JavaScript project. If you are watching the video and you are following carefully, I believe you can see the flyer on this my side here. Okay, now we will be going through 30 essential JavaScript project that you don't want to miss from beginner, intermediate to advanced level. All right, trust me, the 30 JavaScript project will help you to improve your coding skill, and the project, some of them can be used in your resume for job opportunity, and some of them absolutely don't use them. You cannot use them, right? 100% cannot use them. They will just be to enhance your coding skill as well and give you basic understanding when it comes to how the computer interpret, how the computer think like human. All right. So guys, thank you very much for watching this short video. This is our introductory video for it, and I hope that you guys will turn up tomorrow. We'll be dropping our first video, our first project. All right, our first project, we'll be dropping it tomorrow by 12 noon. All right, Liberian time, 12 noon Liberian time. All right, so please stay tuned, subscribe, guys. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, this will be whole lot of fun. All right, it will be 100% fun. So please, guys, subscribe. Okay, subscribe, guys. Thank you very much, and I see you in our 30 JavaScript project challenge. I see you in it.